Welcome to our channel.
Paradise on my plate. Let's make Ariselu today. These are instant Ariselu. For this, take 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds with 1.5 cups of jaggery. You may use sugar if you want to, but I've used jaggery. Take a pan and put it on medium flame. Add half glass of water. And add the jaggery now. Keep mixing it. We don't need a thick syrup for this. All we need to do is just boil the water to make sure that the jaggery is completely mixed. You can see that the jaggery is almost mixed now. So we can turn off the flame. For this I'm adding maybe a spoonful of cardamom powder, also called ilachi powder. Mix it well. And now let's add the two flours. I'm adding the whole wheat flour and then the rice flour. Keep mixing it thoroughly. You don't need to add any more water. I'm now adding the rice flour. Mix it thoroughly. And now let's add the sesame seeds. And again mix it thoroughly. Now let's take the dough and make it into a small ball. I'll be showing you the easiest way to do it. Take 2 stainless steel plates. You can use any other method. There are special tools for this as well, but I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. Apply some oil to the steel plates and take the dough ball, place it in between them and press them against each other. You need to apply some pressure. The thinner you make, the crispier they'll be when we come to fry them and then press them again. So we like it crispy, so I'm making them thin. Make another one now. They're nice and thin. We'll now take some oil and add the Ariselu into it and fry them. And then now we'll place them in between the plates and then press them against each other so that excess oil will be squeezed out. Instant ariselu are ready now.